Welcome to VaultX, a mobile-first crypto wallet built to help users send, receive, and manage digital assets with confidence. VaultX is designed to make crypto management simple, with support for popular digital assets across multiple blockchain networks. To get started, visit the VaultX website and download the mobile app for Android or iOS. Keep the setup mobile-first and easy to follow. When the app opens, guide users to create a new wallet or import an existing one. Make the flow simple, modern, and beginner-friendly. Show how users can protect access with biometrics, passcodes, and alerts for a safer everyday wallet experience. Next, demonstrate how to receive funds by copying a wallet address or sharing a QR code for fast transfers. Then walk through the send flow. Choose the asset, enter or scan the destination address, review the details carefully, and confirm the transfer. Highlight transaction history, portfolio monitoring, and real-time notifications so users can track activity in one mobile interface. Finish with a clean call to action, inviting users to explore VaultX on mobile and follow safe wallet practices from day one.